guys, welcome to my kitchen again, and it's a wonderful day today where I'm going to be making a fantastic fish preparation. Now, there are tons of ways to cook fish, especially this method is centuries old. It's like cooking in a salt crust. Now, the origins go back to hundreds and hundreds of years pehle, especially in the countries like Italy, Greece, Spain, and people along the coast, because वहाँ पे क्या, there was a lot of salt, and salt was also used to preserve food. If you want to preserve food, you add salt in it, and it can actually cure the food and preserve it. So, like it became a preservation technique, it also became a cooking technique. Now in this process what we do, I've got actually almost like a 1.5 kilo red snapper. You can use a nice fish like this, like the last time I made Rawas ke saath bahut acha aaya tha. So you can use Rawas, you can use surmai, you can use red snapper, you can use all these kinds of fish. Fish which have a nice clean flavor, beautiful flavor. Now जब क्या होता है, ये जो salt है, now salt के साथ हम egg whites डालते हैं, and then you can just add a little bit of water, so the texture should be like wet sand, रेती की तरह. Okay, so I've got about here about almost 2 kilos of salt, in which I have about 6 to 8 egg whites in here. And पहले हम क्या करेंगे, इसको हम थोड़ा सा flavors भी डाल सकते हैं इसमें. Okay, so I'm going to add some spices. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of some red chili powder. I'm going to be adding a little bit of cumin. फिर हम इसमें थोड़े से खड़े मसाले भी डाल देते हैं. You know, so we've got some star anise, some peppercorns, थोड़ी सी जावित्री वो भी डाल देते हैं. I might have some सौंफ here also. Yes, थोड़ी सी सौंफ भी डाल देते हैं. So basically giving a little bit of ajwain as well. So all the things which I think go with the fish डाल देते हैं. We're going to put this. You can easily do it by hand, आराम से कर सकते हो, लेकिन हम इसको थोड़ा सा मिक्सी में डाल देते हैं. ओके, ये नॉर्मली मैं हाथ से गूंथता हूँ, लेकिन आज मूड नहीं कर रहा है मुझे. Might as well use my machine. तो बिल्कुल हम स्लो पे चलाएंगे. Now let's talking about the fish. Now fish को हमें क्या करना है, इसको मैंने ये जो fins वगैरह काट दिए हैं, have taken the पेट निकाला है, the gut is also come out. Now here what we can do is use this cavity, इसे हम कहते हैं, to put your spices and your flavorings. So मेरे पास यहाँ पे धनिया है, थोड़ा पुदीना है, और थोड़ा सा सुआ है, some nice dill. Okay, so ये जो हमारे herbs जो हैं, इसको हम इसके अंदर डाल देते हैं. Okay, इसी तरह. एंड देन इसमें जो हम हैं, लेमन के भी स्लाइसेस डाल सकते हैं इसमें. सो बिल्कुल अरोमा हो जाएगा. इट विल बी वेरी नाइस, ब्यूटीफुल फ्लेवर्स. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट सम राइट अप हियर टू गिव अ वेरी नाइस. वी कैन इवन ऐड सम गार्लिक इफ यू वांट इनसाइड. तो इसको हम थोड़ा सा बैच कर देते हैं गार्लिक को. आई एम ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी एडिंग सम जिंजर को भी हम बैच कर देते हैं. ओके, जस्ट लाइक दैट, जस्ट फॉर फ्लेवर, यू नो. परफेक्ट. नाउ द बेस्ट पार्ट इज दैट आप सोच रहे होंगे कि हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू add so much salt to the fish, but the salt actually does not penetrate into the fish, not completely. It seasoned it just beautifully. और क्या होता है, ये जो the egg white and the salt literally makes a full jacket, a whole case. And once the egg whites start cooking, they start getting hard. Now because of the salt and the egg white, ये पूरा एक crust हो जाता है. So it is a bit scientific, it's a bit natural. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to be adding a little bit of oil at the bottom. Okay. And then I'm going to be adding a little bit of some oil on the fish as well. Okay? Perfect. So we're adding a bit of the salt here now. Okay? Fantastic. And then since we've oiled the bottom part, exactly like this. Okay? Add a couple of chilies as well if you want. Beautiful. And some more lemon. Perfect. और थोड़ा सा garlic. मजा आ जाएगा. Perfect. Now आप सोचते होंगे कि अरे यार अभी ये मच्छी के साथ कर रहा है. Can we do it with other things? I have to tell you a story when I went to the Maldives when I was cooking. And literally there were quite a lot of vegetarians, okay? There were a lot of vegetarians and we had to be making something for the vegetarians as well. So I did something very similar like this, but I actually crusted potatoes with it. In my other older restaurant, I used to crust beetroots with it, okay? So we used to do a beetroot crust for our beetroot salad, cook the beetroots in the crust. And talking about the potatoes, it was fantastic, okay? With the potatoes, I actually made a salt crust, lekin in the salt, I added a bit of activated charcoal, okay? So kya ho gaya? The salt became absolutely black. And uske baad, वो salt जो है, काली हो गई, and I covered the potatoes with that. And literally, they look like big stones, black stones. और उसके बाद मैंने जाके गैस के सामने टेबल पे तोड़ा था. So there was one very interesting episode of me using salt, okay? So now we have this final, beautifully covered. So we have the nice shape of the fish. Beautiful. So basically जो texture रहता है हमारा, it's just like how you have रेती का texture. So we have an oven which is at about 200 degrees, 200 to 210. We're going to be cooking this for about 40 minutes in this oven. Preheated oven, be a little careful. Perfecto. So in about 45 minutes, we're going to have a fantastic fish. We're going to cut it open. I'm going to show you. It'll come out really beautifully. And all you need with this is any kind of veggies you like, okay? Any kind of vegetables. You want a nice salad, you want to do mashed potatoes, you want to just eat it by itself. I'm going to be making a nice lemon and chili butter for you. I'll see you soon. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Beautiful. Yes. So fish हमारी ready हो गई है, okay? Now literally the custom is that even when you go to a restaurant, I went to one in Dubai recently. So they come there, hoo-ha, shosha करके टक 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 काटते हैं. They take it out and then literally just with a fork and a knife, they remove the fish, the pieces of fish on a nice plate and they serve it with butter. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. Now until then, now this fish, I would love to serve it with steamed vegetables, potatoes, the works. Now, it's up to you what you want to actually do, but what I'm going to be doing is making a very nice butter which is flavored with lemon, with chilies, with coriander, you know, some local herbs. So just to give the little flavor to it, you know what I mean? Perfecto. I'm going to be adding a touch of olive oil in this also. Perfect. Into which we have some nice salted butter. So we have some nice sliced garlic in here, maybe a little more. Throw some crushed garlic in as well here. Nice. One sliced green chili. And we're just gonna add a few herbs to this, like some dill, some coriander. Okay, perfect. तो हमारा ये butter भी ready हो गया है. I also have some really nice lemons. So some nice lemon here as well. Put the lemon wedge, lemon inside for some nice flavor. Bingo, that's it. Now let's deal with the fish. So if you go to see, we basically just need to crack some of the crust. So you can see this comes out very beautifully. And here we go, guys. Beautiful. Now you can see, fantastic aromas. Nice. And you can see that the fish has just been used to create an actual jacket, like a steam jacket. So very carefully, you take this out. And now it becomes very easy to serve this fish. So I'm just going to be beautiful. So we have our fish out just like this. And you get a really lovely piece of fish just like this. Now as you can see, let me give you a closer look now that the fish is beautifully cooked like this. And it's got some great flavors. Yummy. Wow. So we just move this, all your spices and aromas, and very easily this bone can be removed just like that. The bone is just removed just like this. And then you just serve the bottom of the fish. That's it. This will slowly leave the plate, and all you need to do is lift it up with a spatula, and your salt crusted fish is ready. So we're going to be serving a beautiful butter with this. Okay. So I've got my lemon, garlic, chili and herb butter. We're going to be straining this right here. Salt crusted fish with a gorgeous lemon, garlic and herb butter. Boom, ready.